Wait a minute, we have tables. Okay, the engine bay of the... This is the Rolls key, an umbrella. Almost 650k in euros. Hey, what's up guys? Wow, this is like super easy entering. So this Phantom 8 also have electronic closable doors. So over here I have a button, and if I push the button, wow, she closes fully automatically. And also in the rear lights you can see the Rolls-Royce badge. And the height of the car. And again we have here the door controls, so the door closes automatically. Here we go. Okay. Okay, here we have some controls for some lights again. Okay, so I have my personal so over here I control my personal star sky. Wow, wow, wow.